Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Burning gas can deplete the oxygen in your home. If you burn your vent-free logs for more than an hour, crack a window open to replace the oxygen. Better still, limit your use of your vent-free gas fireplace to no more than a few hours at a stretch.
Take our lead.
Rule number 1. If the CO detector alarms, evacuate the home. Just because you have a window open does not mean that carbon monoxide will head for the window and leave your bedroom. It's far more likely that CO will linger in the room, even though fresh air might be coming in the window.
Make your mark, take our lead.
60 to 68 inches. In general, the answer is 60 to 68 inches above the ground, however, this number will vary depending on the height of the homeowner. If you have to lift or strain your neck at all, it's too high.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.